What if your AI never gave outdated answers again? No stale data, no guessing, just real-time information pulled straight from the web. That's exactly what I built. An AI assistant that literally goes out, grabs fresh data, and thinks with it. And honestly, once you see this, static AI tools feel kind of broken.
Hey, this channel is your shortcut to understanding modern AI without the boring technical talk. Each video shows practical tools, cool concepts, and real ways to use AI to improve work, study, and content creation. If you enjoy simple solutions, you'll enjoy what's ahead.
So imagine this. You ask your AI something like, what are the latest trends in AI startups? Normally, it just guesses based on old training data. Sometimes it's right, sometimes it's completely outdated. Sound familiar? Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of relying on old data, I made my AI pull live data from the internet before answering. And the way I did that is surprisingly simple. I used Decodo AI's web scraping API to act as the eyes of my AI system. So instead of manually scraping, dealing with blocks, captures, or broken scripts, I just send a URL and get clean, structured data back. And yes, you can actually follow along with this for free. They give you up to 2,000 requests with no credit card, which is more than enough to build something real. So let me show you what I actually built. First, I needed data. Instead of writing messy scraping scripts, I went into the dashboard, grabbed my API key, and made my first request. Literally took under 2 minutes. I sent a request to scrape a tech blog, and boom, I get structured JSON with titles, content, links, everything clean and ready, no parsing headaches. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about getting data, it's about getting usable data instantly, because that's what makes AI workflows actually work. Now I take that data and feed it into a Python pipeline. The system reads it, converts it into embeddings, and stores it in a vector database. So now, when I ask a question, the AI retrieves relevant data first, then generates the answer. That's a full RAG system powered by live web data. Now here's where things usually break. If you've ever tried scraping real websites, you know what happens. Blocks, captures, rate limits. It's painful. But this is where Decodo quietly does the heavy lifting. When I hit a protected site, I didn't have to change anything. It automatically handled IP rotation, retries, headers, anti-bot protection, and it just worked. No debugging, no hacks. That's the difference between building a project and actually finishing one. Now let me show you something practical. Let's say you're building a research assistant. Instead of manually reading articles, your AI scrapes multiple sources, extracts key points, compares them, and gives you a summarized answer in real time. So instead of spending hours researching, you get answers in seconds. Now here's another angle, content creation. You can scrape top-ranking pages, feed them into your AI, and instantly get insights like content gaps and topic ideas. So instead of guessing what to create, you're working with real data from your niche. And if you check the dashboard, everything I'm doing right now runs on the free plan. Now let's talk scale, because small demos are cool, but real systems need volume. Normally, scraping thousands of pages takes forever, but here, you can run asynchronous requests. That means you can send thousands of URLs at once, and they process in parallel. So something that would take days that can finish in under an hour. That's huge for AI datasets, competitor tracking, or market analysis tools. And the best part, you only pay for what you use. So here's what we ended up with. An AI assistant that pulls live data, understands it, and gives updated answers instantly. No outdated responses, no manual research, just real-time intelligence. And honestly, that's the bigger shift here. It's not just scraping, it's giving your AI access to the real world. If you want to try this yourself, you can start with the free plan, click the link in the description, up to 2,000 requests for a full year. And when you're ready to scale, you can use my code for 10% off your first plan. This kind of system used to take weeks. Now you can build it in an afternoon. Drop a comment if you want the full code. And if you're into building real AI systems, you already know what to do.